Imagine turning one simple idea into a professional website in less time than it takes to finish your morning coffee and without writing a single line of code. That's exactly what today's AI tools can do. In this video, I will show you 5 incredible AI builders that can create stunning websites and even full web apps in minutes. And don't skip the last one, because it's the tool many developers are using to build projects faster than ever before. If you have ever had a great business idea but feel stuck because you don't know how to code, you are going to love this first tool. Lovable needs to describe your idea in plain English, and within a minute it generates a complete website or even a full stack web app for you. You can keep refining everything just by chatting with AI, whether it's changing the layout, adding new features, or updating the design. Instead of spending days figuring out how to build something, you can focus on testing your idea and getting it online faster. It's one of the easiest way to turn an idea into something real. Now, if speed is what you are after, Bolt.new takes things even further. Just describe the project you want and it starts building right inside your browser. You can generate pages, edit code, review your project instantly, and keep improving it through simple prompts. It's an incredible option for creators, founders, and developers who want to prototype websites or web apps without wasting hours on setup. Those two tools can get a project off the ground incredibly fast. But the next AI builder focuses on creating beautiful modern interfaces that look like they were designed by a professional. Now, what if you already have an idea but you want your website to look polished from the very beginning? That's where V0 comes in. Instead of starting with a blank page, you can describe the interface you want, and V0 generates clean, modern layouts that looks like they were designed by a professional. Whether it's a landing page, a dashboard, or a complete website, it gives you a solid starting point that you can customize and build on. It's a huge time saver for anyone who wants a professional looking design without spending hours creating it from scratch. If you are ready to go beyond design and actually build a working project, Replit AI is an excellent choice. Think of it as an AI powered workspace where you can generate code, fix errors, add new features, and test your project all from your browser. Instead of jumping between different tools, Replit keeps everything in one place, making it much easier to bring your ideas to life. Whether you are learning, experimenting, or building your next startup, it helps you move from concept to a working product much faster. By the way, which of these AI builders would you actually use for your next project? Let me know in the comments. And coming up next is my favorite tool for creating beautiful, responsive websites without getting overwhelmed by complicated design settings. If your biggest priority is creating a website that looks clean, modern, and ready to impress visitors, then Framer AI deserves your attention. Just describe the type of website you want, and Framer generates a beautiful, responsive design in minutes. From there, you can easily customize the layout, update the content, adjust colors, and publish your site without dealing with a complicated setup. It's a fantastic option for portfolios, startup landing pages, personal brands, and anyone who wants a professional looking website without hiring a designer. Now, after seeing all 5 tools, you might be wondering which one is actually right for you. If you are a complete beginner with a business idea, Lovable is one of the easiest places to start. If you want to build and test projects incredibly fast, Bolt.new is a great choice. If your focus is creating beautiful user interface, V0 really stands out. If you are ready to build complete projects with AI by your side, Replit AI gives you an all-in-one workspace. And if your goal is launching a polished website with minimal effort, Framer AI is hard to beat. But before you open one of these tools and start building, there is one mistake that almost every beginner makes, and avoiding it can save you hours of frustration. Before you start building with any of these AI tools, here is one piece of advice that can save you a lot of time. Don't expect AI to create the perfect website from a single prompt. The quality of your results depends on the quality of your instructions. Instead of typing something vague like build me a website, describe exactly what you need. Include your business or project, your target audience, the style you are going for, the pages you want, and any features you need. The more specific you are, the better AI can understand your vision. Another mistake beginners make is publishing their website without reviewing it. AI can generate impressive design, but you should always double check the content, images, links, contact information, and mobile layout before going live. Spending just a few extra minutes reviewing everything can make the difference between a website that looks good and one that feels truly professional. The exciting part is that building a website is no longer the hardest step. Today, your biggest advantage isn't knowing how to code, it's knowing how to use AI effectively. And that's exactly the skill that's becoming more valuable every year. Those were 5 incredible AI tools that are making it easier than ever to build professional websites and web apps without spending months learning to code. If you found at least one tool you will actually use, hit that like button and subscribe to Mr. Faisal because every week I share practical AI tools that can save you time and help you work smarter. And if you are ready to discover even more powerful AI tools, check out the video on your screen next. You might find your next favorite AI tool there.